So in this tutorial I will be sharing with you not one, not two, but 8 keywords with which you can find some unique backgrounds for your designs. So let's start with it. So the first keyword is fluid gradients, and you can search it by going to elements and just type fluid gradients, and you will go to photos, click on see all, and you can find some cool designs for backgrounds. And as you can see, many are free in here. As you can see, many are free, and if you are having a pro account, you can use any of them. So this is the first keyword. Let's go with the second one. Second one is 3D wavy background. So this is the second one. So as you can see, here also you can find many designs which are in free section. Let's go for the third one. So third one is gradient background. So if you are unable to find some cool gradient backgrounds, you can easily find one and use it in your designs. And as you can see, you can just star the keyword or the design and use it for later for your own designs. And you can also click on see more like this, and you can find many of the magic recommendations here, and you can try this same for any type of keyword shared in this video. Okay, so next one is colorful pattern background. So as you can see here, as you can see, many colorful pattern backgrounds are here. And let's go with the fifth one, which is futuristic gradient background. So this is the fifth one. Okay, so let's go with the sixth one, which is wavy lines background. So this is the wavy lines background keyword, as you can see. So let's go with the seventh one, which is landscape background. So if you are trying to use some cool landscape background, so you can find it here. And this is, as you can see, it is a Windows background which is quite popular, and also some cool landscapes like this sunset moment, this hilly area. Especially I like this background the most, though it is in Canva Pro section, but the gradient effect is created in this hilly area is absolutely majestic here. And next, the last one will be 3D background. So as you can see, some cool 3D effects is created here, and you can also find some podium designs like this for absolutely free, and you can just use it for your designs. So I have shared 8 background elements or keywords which you can find numerous designs for your background and for your graphic designs, and use it for your designs in background in any of the situations or any of the design canvas. You can use it. I shared you a whole gallery of keywords, so hope you like this tutorial, and I will be making more such tutorials. If you can comment in this video about the feedback, and we can make it same. Thank you.